Euro-Yen daily forecast for January 13th by FX Empire. The Euro-Yen fell a bit during the day here on Thursday as we continue to see quite a bit of volatility in the yen-related pairs. Not a huge surprise, and it looks like we are finding a bit of support near the 121 handle. But when you look at the totality of the picture of the chart, and I'm going to go ahead and zoom out, you can see how far we've come. So this pullback isn't a huge surprise. It was in an area where we had seen volatility in the past. So I think we're going to drop from here and find quite a bit of support at 120. And even if we don't, then it's just a simple continuation of the consolidation. I do think we go higher. This is about the yen. This isn't about the euro. The yen-related pairs all look essentially the same as they tend to. However, I like the idea of buying the euro against it because it's a stable, major currency. For those of you who don't pay attention to exotics, for example, even though most currencies are doing the same thing against the yen, there are some that are not. The Turkish lira, for example, is collapsing against the Japanese yen. So that's why we stick to these stable, larger currencies and trade accordingly when it comes to the yen, because it causes so much value and volatility in both directions anyway that a lot of people get wiped out. So I think that this is a market that you can buy on dips, and that's what we're starting to see. So on a break at the top of the candle, I'm a buyer. On a supportive candle below, I'm also a buyer.